You are watching Ghost Hunter Joe and Friends. If you like this content, make sure to like and subscribe. Now here's Ghost Hunter Joe.
Thank you, Kim. I'm Ghost Hunter Joe, and today's video was recorded at the Richland County Courthouse front lawn. The Richland County Courthouse is located in Mansfield, Ohio. I took this daytime photograph of it in May of 2012. I took this nighttime photograph of the courthouse in May of 2025. I thought that the 4 Civil War cannons displayed on the courthouse front lawn might be interesting to investigate. Let's watch.
Hi, I'm Ghost Hunter Joe, and we're at the Richland County Courthouse in Mansfield, Ohio. We're going to check out some Civil War cannons on the property, see if we get any activity. Okay, this is Thomas. We're still at the Richland County Courthouse. We're by one of these Civil War cannons. Thomas, go ahead and turn the necrophonic spirit box on and then set it up on the ledge there. Okay, any spirits here? Can you talk to us? Is the volume up?
Yeah.
Okay, Thomas has turned on the EMF detector and it's lighting up. Any spirits here? If you're lighting that detector up, can you tell us your name? What's your name?
Sherman.
Okay. What's your name? Let me move this a little bit over here. What's your name? What's your name? Were you shot by this cannon? Was this cannon used in the Civil War? Did you die in the Civil War? Okay, I'm going to try to read this plaque here. It says, lest we forget America's wars. American Revolution, War of 1812, Mexican War, Indian Wars, Civil War, Spanish-American War, World War I, World War II, Korean conflict, and Vietnam era. Okay. Were you in any of those wars? Which war were you in? Okay, are you attached to this cannon? Okay, let me back up and get the full view of the cannon. Were you part of this cannon? Or were you attached to this cannon? Okay. We're at the Richland County Courthouse still, and we're at one of the cannons, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's lighting up to 3 out of 5. Okay, what are you trying to tell us? Did you die by this cannon? Oh, it's up to 5. Did you die by this cannon? Are you attached to this cannon somehow? Did you die during the Civil War? What's your name? Do you got the necrophonic spirit box? Turn that on.
No.
Hold on a second.
We're back down to 1 now.
Okay. Can you tell us your name? If you were the one that was lighting the meter up a minute ago, can you tell us your name? Okay, you're lighting it up again. What's your name? What's your name, please? What was your rank? Can you give us your name, rank, and serial number? What was your name? Were you a private? Corporal? Were you a corporal? Were you a sergeant? Were you a lieutenant or captain? A general? Where did you die? Because I know these cannons didn't see any action here in Mansfield. Where did you die? What city and state did you die? Where? Okay, let's go check out another cannon. Okay, is it lighting up again?
Should we lay it down and then stop?
Okay, any spirits here? Can you touch the meter and make it light up? What's your name? My name's Joe. What's your name?
You got people coming here.
What?
You got people coming here.
Okay, this is Thomas. What's your name? Okay, it's kind of noisy here. We're going to get a lot of noise contamination.
Yeah.
Okay, goodbye.
Is the Richland County Courthouse front lawn, or more specifically, the cannons displayed there, haunted? There's an ongoing debate in the paranormal world as to whether only places, as opposed to people or things, can be haunted or possessed. So my question for you, the thoughtful viewer, is, can things be haunted or possessed? In other words, can ghosts or spirits be attached to the Civil War cannons discussed in this video? There were no Civil War battles fought this far north. Assuming that these cannons saw battle down south and were brought up north, could the spirits of the soldiers who fired them, or the soldiers who were killed by them, be attached to them? And if so, did we make contact with them with my EMF detector or through the necrophonic spirit box? I'm a little skeptical with respect to hits we experienced with the EMF detector. Those could have been caused by the spirit box on my cell phone being placed too close to the detector. With respect to the spirit box, as regular viewers know, my hearing is terrible, so I didn't hear anything. Thomas said that he listened to the videos and he didn't hear anything. But in the past, viewers have heard things that Thomas and I missed. So I would appreciate if viewers such as yourself would be so kind as to listen really hard, and if you should hear anything, to please note what you heard in the comments to this video, noting the timestamp where you heard what you heard. And this is Ghost Hunter Joe saying goodbye, happy hunting, and see you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe.